Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
All right, we've got some 80-20 free-range ground beef. I've got some lettuce. I've got some tomatoes. I've got some American cheese. And I've got some special sauce. That special sauce, oh, this is Thousand Islands. Mike Foster here. Today, it's a copycat recipe of one of my favorite places in the world, In-N-Out Burgers. This is my double copycat for In-N-Out Burgers. Let's go over to the grill and put this bad boy together. Can't wait. All right, this is heated up. It's 500 degrees in there. I'm not kidding. Let's put those burgers down. Now I got a few extra ones because my wife's gonna have one and we're gonna have some leftovers. There you go. We're putting these down. These have just been seasoned with salt and pepper. All right, I'm gonna put those down for about 5-6 minutes. Then I'm gonna flip them. Oh, well, I'll show you what I'm gonna do next. See you in a few. Let's see what we got here. How are you guys looking? Oh yeah, we're gonna cross hatch them. And by that I mean we're just gonna turn them this way so they all cross hatch and give them another couple minutes, little push down. Now people say, Mike, you shouldn't push it down because you're gonna lose juice. Well, this is the way I cook them. Sweet little baby babu. See you in 2 minutes. Oh, they're ready. They're ready. That guy's ready. Baba. That's a little baby. Another one. Oh, God, those are gorgeous. Still perfect they are? All right, let's put that cheese down. The best part, the American cheese. American cheese. We're going to cook these for another few minutes. That's for my wife. That's the crazy one. I'll see you in 3 minutes. I know these guys are ready. Ooh, look at that. All right, let's get them off the grill. Have fun cleaning this one, Mike. And these are the two for the In-N-Out Copycat. Double. All right, there we are. Here's the first burger. Here's the second burger. That is a lot. Thousand Island on there. Put it on. Put some on top right here. This is how they do it at In-N-Out, guys. Here's your lettuce. Pop it down. Here's your tomato. Pop it down. 1 stroke of salt. A little pepper. Let's flip it. Give it a little press. Let's get a close-up. There it is. The Copycat In-N-Out Double Burger. Oh my God. I can't wait to take a big bite of this sucker. Looks just like the thing from the In-N-Out. Let's see what it tastes like. Oh my. Oh, let's see if I can take a bite of this. Ah. Amazing. The burger is great. The American cheese, that's the one you need, guys. Do your research. It's perfect. The tomato is sweet and juicy. The special sauce works. Oh man, a nice bun to keep it all together. That's for the thumbnail. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365, my goodness. And subscribe to my YouTube channel by the same name. Until next time, In-N-Out, peace.
Live life 365.
When you do your own video, you cook them the way you want. Yeah, I'm eating cheese. That's a mess. We'll worry about that later. And the sweet little baby babu. Oh, this is like amazing. Oh, you guys are crazy that complain about American cheese. Check out In-N-Out Burger, Five Guys, all the great burger places, they use American cheese. So the people that say American cheese, whatever you guys say, you're so uneducated. Don't watch this video. I gotta go. Bye now.